speech. Good morning to the respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak a few words about Children's Day. I wish all my friends a very happy Children's Day. Today, 14th November, this day is celebrated as Children's Day. All over India, 14th November is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Pandit